Apisa ariyo mag Obila mitudo gi chielo gi magina Johanda swekra e chuny boma ma Nairobi e kinde ng'anyo ma tich ariyo ochwal e doho. Cleansy Baraza Masinde kod Duncan Kiprono itudo gi chielo gi magina kendo hinyo Boniface Kariuki, monj manomaki e video e kinde mar ng'anyono. Mae kaka ne weche chalo kanochwal gi e doho ma Milimani.
Let's start the Razak, please. I can confirm that is the position that we agreed the terms of the 15 days for the accused to be detained in Capitol Hill Police Station, so that the prosecution can undertake their investigation. Thank you.
We agree. We have indulged with our colleagues from the state. But Your Honor, just to mention one thing, that we pray that the gadgets for the suspects be protected. Because, Your Honor, we had an incident yesterday about the compromise of the gadgets. Once the investigation team takes over, we pray that the same this time the same is ensured that the same is not compromised. Thank you.
He's talking about we have no gadgets to respondents. It maybe didn't take instructions, but the instructions we have from the two investigating officers to my right is that they didn't recover any gadgets from these two individuals.
That is very well, Your Honor. I was saying, in case they will have to take possession of the same, we pray that their integrity be protected. Thank you. Yes.
So we'll adopt a compromise by the applicant's team, and also since it has been considered by the respondent, so the two respondents will be remanded at Capitol Hill Police Station for the period of 15 days. So, Mr. Whitty, do your quick math. We mentioned when? It should be the second.
On the third.
The third.
Yes.
Afternoon.
Thank you.